Coming down to the ring, Azriel. Or Derek. I'm fucked up, sorry. Blood loss.
Several other very important differences between human beings and animals.
Here comes Derek. And look at him with his nice little... Okay. Well, I think you're the biggest cracker of all, sir. All right. Okay. And our music guy is getting funky. Okay. Anyway, his opponent is a debut comer here in the WDF. Here he is, Johnny Barbed Wire Miller. And Johnny Miller coming down to the ring. This guy, it looks... Yeah? Johnny Miller. Oh shit, and he's spitting toward our camera. He does that again and he's going to be thrown out. And here we go. These two, oh! He spit beer on him last time. And Johnny Miller, who I do believe is with the XWF, but I'm not sure. And anyway, Derek now being slammed in that cold Miller Lite, slammed on the ground. Johnny Miller debuting here. He's already got a hardcore title match, but Derek has held the title since Eye of Deception. 1, 2, and I believe it's First Blood. Hey Cracker, what type of match is this? Oh shit! Hey! The camera! God damn it, you're getting fined. And you don't even have no money. Oh. Here we go. I'm just going on the assumption that it is a First Blood match. Damn, and he's taking it to him. Derek now receiving a major beating. He is a great hardcore champion though. Derek has held the hardcore title but longer than anybody has ever held it in the WWF. So that's a good goal actually. Enigma's actually Chaos is the second longest. And look at Derek now. Oh shit. And what a shot there by Derek. And look at Johnny Miller. Oh! Oh shit, he grabs him. He's grabbing him. Oh! Takes him down. Oh, presses it against him. He's trying to make him bleed. Cracker. Cracker, he calls him. Oh, shit, what? Oh, right in the fire pit. Set him ablaze. And Derek better get out of there before there's fire. Oh, oh shit. Oh. I don't believe I've ever seen that before. Oh, and they're making their way back to this car again. Oh my God. Not again, people. This car